everyone. Welcome back to the Quality English Tutor Podcast.
Hi, Alex. Hi, everyone. Great to see you again.
How are you today, Sara?
I'm good, thanks. A little sleepy.
Perfect. Today, we'll learn how to talk about your daily routine. Morning, afternoon, and evening.
Grab your notebook, smile, and let's get started.
Be honest. Can you describe your daily routine in English? Or do you hesitate, freeze, and struggle to find the right words when you try to speak?
Maybe a little, but I can say I wake up, I eat breakfast, or I go to work.
That's a great start. Today, you'll learn to say your whole day clearly and confidently. By the end, you can describe your day from morning to night in natural English. Let's start with the morning. What do you do after you wake up, Sara?
I open my eyes, and sometimes I want to sleep again.
Same here, but we have to get up. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. I get up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed.
And breakfast. What do you eat, Alex?
Toast and coffee.
Toast and coffee are both great ones. Don't forget fruit or eggs. Mini story time. Emma wakes up at 7. She stretches, brushes her teeth, drinks a glass of water, and eats toast with fruit. Just as she's about to leave, her brother calls out, "Emma, you forgot your school bag!" She laughs and says, "Oh no, not again."
Poor Emma, but she tries her best, just like you. Okay, here are the key morning phrases. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to school.
Notice the action verbs, wake up, eat, and go. Repeat them every day.
Now, let's move to the afternoon. Sara, what do you usually do then?
I work, teach, and sometimes eat lunch late.
Lunch is important. Let's practice these sentences. I go to work at 9. I eat lunch at 1. I finish work at 5.
Mini story time. Tom works in a cafe. At 3 o'clock, he finally sits down with a big sandwich and says, "I love my job, but I'm always hungry."
Working near food is dangerous. Key afternoon phrases. I work in a cafe. I eat lunch at 3. I love my job.
Remember, using I plus verb keeps your English simple and clear. For example, I go to work at 9, or I relaxed in the evening.
Evening, my favorite time of day.
Mine too. I take a walk, have dinner, and read a book.
I cook dinner, watch TV, and chat with friends. Let's say the evening routine. I eat dinner at 7. I watch TV. I read a book. I go to bed at 10.
Notice time expressions like at 7 and at 10. Say them after the verb. Let's practice the whole day together. Repeat slowly. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I finish work at 5. I eat dinner. I go to bed.
Short, simple, and clear. That's your full day in English.
Okay, let us talk about our full day routine, Alex.
Great idea, Sara. Who will start first, you or me?
I think you can start with the morning.
Okay. I will start first. I usually wake up at 6. After that, I always start with a glass of water, make my bed, and enjoy my coffee while reading the news. Then I take a shower, get dressed, and finish getting ready for the day.
Okay, Alex, one question for you. What time do you usually have your first coffee?
Right after I make my bed. No delay. Coffee is important.
All right, it's my turn. I usually wake up around 6:30. After that, I stretch, open my window, and yes, I check my phone before doing anything else. Then I take a shower, get dressed, and have a simple breakfast to start the day.
Quick question, Sarah. What's the very first thing you usually do after waking up?
Honestly, check my phone. It's a terrible habit, but here we are. Let's move to the afternoon. Now, in the afternoon, I work until about 4 p.m. I usually have lunch around 1. After work, I sometimes do small tasks like shopping or checking emails.
Quick question. What do you usually do right after work?
Sometimes small tasks. Other times, I just relax for 10 minutes and ignore them.
Fair. My afternoons are a bit different. I usually work until around 3:30. After that, I take a short walk to clear my head, have lunch around noon, and finish any tasks I didn't get done earlier.
My turn. What helps you relax in the afternoon?
That walk. Honestly, without it, my brain just melts. Let's talk about the evening now.
Okay, in the evening, I cook dinner, relax, and watch something short. After that, I try not to do anything stressful. My brain has officially clocked out by then.
Question. What time do you usually start relaxing?
Around 9:30 p.m., I sometimes watch TV in the evening. That's when I switch from professional human to sleepy human.
My evening is simple. I relax, cook something quick, or sometimes I just order food because pretending to love cooking every day is not realistic.
Let me ask you, what do you usually have for dinner? Something healthy or something not very healthy?
It depends on the day, but most days it's not very healthy.
At night, I take a warm shower, get things ready for the next day, read a little, have some herbal tea, and I usually go to bed around 11.
Quick question, Sarah. What helps you fall asleep faster?
Reading a book. But if I check my phone, then game over.
At night, I go for a walk, finish planning the next day's lecture around 8:30, take a shower, read for a few minutes, and usually try to sleep around 11.
And one last question. Do you really go to sleep at 11?
I try, but I'm not always on time. Let's talk about the most important part. Do you know about it, Sarah?
Yes, Alex. Before we finish, let's look at some important words we use to talk about our daily routines. These words will make your English sound much clearer and more natural.
Great. First word, usually. It means something you do most of the time.
For example, Alex,
Okay, you can say, I usually wake up at 7. Most mornings, that's my routine.
and sometimes
I usually wake up late.
we all have those mornings, Alex.
Next word, after that. It shows the next thing you do, like I brush my teeth, and after that, I eat breakfast.
Very useful. And don't forget colleagues. These are the people you work with. For example, I have lunch with my colleagues at 1 o'clock. Did you notice? It is easy peasy, right?
Sometimes my colleagues make me laugh too much.
Oh, yes. Next is relax. That means to rest and feel calm. For example, you could say, in the evening, I like to relax by reading a book.
It is my favorite one, Sarah. And sometimes I relax by watching TV and eating chocolate.
Sounds good. Next is get dressed. It means putting on your clothes. Example, I get dressed after I take a shower.
Speaking of take, it's our next word. You can take a shower, take a walk, like I take a walk after lunch.
Simple. Then there's finish. Example, I finish work at 5. That's always a happy moment.
Absolutely. And the last one, have. So useful. Example, I have breakfast at 7. Or I have a meeting in the afternoon.
These words make your sentences much more natural.
Okay, let's summarize the whole daily routine. First, morning. I usually wake up at 7, get dressed, and have breakfast. After that, I go to work.
In the afternoon, I have lunch, chat with my colleagues, and sometimes take a short walk. After that, I finish work and go home.
In the evening, I relax, have dinner, watch TV, and then go to bed.
Simple and clear. Using words like usually, after that, colleagues, relax, get dressed, take, finish, and have really makes your English stronger.
Let's practice one more time together. I usually wake up at 7. I get dressed and have breakfast. After that, I go to work and work with my colleagues. I take a walk in the afternoon and finish work at 5. In the evening, I relax and have dinner.
Perfect. That's your full day in simple, natural English.
Now, your question, dear listeners. What is your favorite part of the day? And why? Morning, afternoon, or evening?
Write your answer in English and try to use at least one of today's new words.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep having fun with English.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you next time on the Quality English Tutor Podcast.